walking to walk through.
That's all I'm doing. I'm not driving. I'm walking through a fucking neighborhood.
So then what's the problem with telling us who you
Run
are?
your fucking name.
What's the problem
I
with
do
telling
what
us
the fuck I want to do.
Okay.
I'm a free man. I do what the fuck I want to do. And I ain't fucking scared.
On July 6, 2022, Cook County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to a call reporting an individual photographing houses in Northbrook, Illinois, a suburb where several properties are valued in excess of $1 million. Deputy Hamilton arrived first and located Daryl Baker walking near the intersection of Walnut Circle and Cottonwood Road. He exited his patrol vehicle and made contact with Mr. Baker. The body camera footage that followed became the foundation of a constitutional rights analysis that raises serious Fourth and First Amendment questions under established federal civil rights law. Welcome to Badge on Trial, where the law holds the badge accountable. If you're new here, hit subscribe and join us. Now let's get into the case.
May I help you?
What you mean, how may you help me?
Because I want to see if you lost anything.
What?
I want to see if you lost anything. You okay?
What do you want to see that for?
Because I had got a couple calls says you was running around here.
And I can't wander?
Yes, you can.
It's a crime for wandering?
I never said it. You're saying it's a crime for wandering. That you here?
What people is concerned? What that got to do with me? It's a problem?
Yes, it might be a problem. People are concerned about you. They want to know.
I don't give a f about these people.
Okay, but they want to know why you're in the neighborhood.
I don't give a f why. They don't need to know why I'm in the neighborhood. I'm in the neighborhood because I feel like I'm being in the neighborhood.
So you just feel like being in the neighborhood?
I just feel like being in the neighborhood.
So you just feel like, so you just wandering?
I just feel like walking through the
neighborhood.
Yes,
okay.
absolutely.
Like, okay,
I
just
can't
walk
through black. You black like me.
I know, I'm going to walk with you.
So you
we going to walk. We walking together, right?
I can't walk. What you mean?
I didn't say you can't walk.
Why you harassing me, bro?
How I'm harassing you?
Because you walk. I don't even know you, first and foremost. And you just hopped out of your car asking me why am I walking through. I'm on camera, bro. The whole time I've been out here, I'm on camera.
You on camera too?
Walking through the fucking neighborhood. So what's the problem? You
I'm walking with you.
You don't gotta walk with me.
Yes, I do.
Why?
Why? You said we just walking, right?
I'm just walking.
And I'm walking too.
Why I can't walk by myself? What's the problem?
Can I ask you what's the people?
Because I feel like it.
And I feel like walking with you.
You can't. So
How can I walk with you?
Back in your truck, bro.
No,
you black, bro. You know what's going on. Give a f down, but I look like a robber because I'm black. I like a robber because I'm black. Now I'm being harassed.
Okay,
you f***ing up my day. Your supervisor told you gotta walk. That's why you doing what you doing. And you're not even doing it because that's what you want to do. Because you're supervisor, and I'm in a rich neighborhood.
Because my supervisor know people call about you.
I'm rich.
And that's fine.
I live in the neighborhood.
Okay.
So why are you following me?
You live in the neighborhood. What's your name then?
It doesn't matter. I don't have to tell you my name.
Okay, now, come on. We can stand here and just look at each other.
What you mean? I don't want you walking with me. You harassing me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I don't want you walking with me.
And if people don't want you...
I didn't do nothing wrong. What the f*** is the problem?
Because I'm trying to figure out why are you for one thing? Why are you
so aggressive?
I
want to.
Okay, now I can walk.
You don't have to walk with me, though. You don't got to walk with me. I want to walk through the neighborhood.
You said I don't have to, but I can.
Because I feel like walking.
And I feel like walking with you. Because you want to curse, I can curse too.
That's harassing.
This guy just walking with
harassing. What you do, bro?
I am doing what I'm doing.
Thank you.
I'm doing what I'm doing.
Bro. You ain't got to follow me. Why is you following me, though?
I'm doing what I'm doing. You just said I don't have to, but I can. That's two different things like you.
Serious?
You don't have to, but you can, right?
I don't, listen, I'm committing a crime.
And they say you commit a crime. You're saying that.
Why are you following me?
What you mean why I'm following you?
Why are you following me?
I said I could walk with you. I could walk. I can walk too.
I'm telling you can't walk with me.
Okay, fine. I just walk beside you. I just won't be with you, huh?
Yo, you harassing me, bro.
Now I'm harassing you.
Getting harassed by a black cop in a white neighborhood.
I'm trying to figure out why are you here?
Because I fucking want to be here.
And I can walk with you because I want to be here. Yeah, I can. I can.
No,
yes, I can.
Bitch, no the f you can't. With me because you fucking want to walk with me. I know my fucking rights. Call your fucking supervisor.
Okay, I will call him. I'll call him. No.
What you talking about?
Or
talking about
A236, A235. You know, Cottonwood and Walnut Circle.
13 County, I'm close. Be there in about 5
My sergeant, buy me a house. You gonna buy my daughter
you
house?
You want to speak to my supervisor?
You fucking harassing me.
You say you want to speak to my supervisor?
Fucking harassing me.
My supervisor's on his way too.
Fucking harassing me, pussy. I've been fucking cameraed up since I came in this fucking neighborhood.
Go
your camera. Get off my dick.
Okay.
Get off my dick, man.
Okay.
What the f is you following me for? Because I'm in this neighborhood. Get out of here, man. what I want to do. My morning up.
It's afternoon now, sir.
That's my day. My day up. Yo, stop following me, bro.
Don't let my supervisor come. You said speak to my
So
supervisor.
go to your truck.
I don't have to go to my truck.
I'm not valeting. I'm not on nobody.
You're totally right. I agree with you.
Is you following me,
You asked
though?
my supervisor.
Why?
You asked my
No,
supervisor,
I
right?
didn't. Bye.
Yes, you did.
Bye.
Record your camera.
Bye.
Yes, your supervisor. No.
Bye. Stop following me.
Sir,
Stop
I don't have
following
to go
me.
to my truck.
Stop following me.
I don't have to go to my truck.
Stop following me. You don't gotta follow me. That's harassment.
Deputy Hamilton began following Mr. Baker as he continued walking. Mr. Baker objected, arguing that being followed constituted harassment. Under Illinois law and established federal precedent, a single instance of law enforcement following a person in a public space for a legitimate investigative purpose does not rise to the level of criminal harassment. The Supreme Court addressed public surveillance directly in the 1983 decision United States versus Knotts, holding that individuals traveling on public roads retain no reasonable expectation of privacy in their movements, and that visual surveillance from a lawful public vantage point does not implicate the Fourth Amendment. At this stage, Mr. Baker had not been formally detained. He remained legally free to walk away. The constitutional analysis changes entirely in the next segment.
Not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
What's going on, boss?
I don't know. Actual. I don't
Talk
gotta
with
go
me.
nowhere.
Talk with me.
I don't gotta go talk with
Okay.
nobody. I'm talking to you right here.
Okay, what's going on?
I don't know. Ask this.
I'm asking you.
I'm
What's going
asking
on?
this.
I'm asking you.
Ask this.
We got a call.
I don't
of
know
a
about your
suspicious-
call.
of a
What's
suspicious
suspicious
person.
What's suspicious
That's
person?
it. They
A
said
black
they-
person?
No, they
A
said they
black
were
dude?
taking
A
photos-
black?
photos
Yes, I'm
of
taking
houses.
photos. Yes.
Okay, for
yes,
what
I'm
reason?
videoing because I fucking
what
feel
reason?
like it.
Because
I feel like
All right.
it.
Can I get your ID, please?
No, you cannot.
Why not?
Why do you want my? I ain't commit no crime.
I'm not saying that you did. But
All
I
right,
still
so
need
you
to
don't need
identify
my
who you
ID.
are. Yes, I do.
No, I don't. I'm not
Yes, I
committing
do.
no crime.
Yes, I do.
Got it. You know my fucking rights.
Yeah,
You don't.
I do.
Then
You're
I
not
ain't do
leaving.
shit.
Stay right
What you
here.
mean I ain't leaving?
You're not leaving.
Why? I ain't do
Because
nothing.
I still need to
I didn't
identify
do
you.
nothing. I didn't do nothing.
I don't care.
I didn't do
I still need
nothing.
to say who you
I didn't
are.
do nothing. Why you got your hand on your gun? I'm unarmed. It's two of
I'm
y'all.
standing right here.
Why the fuck you
I'm
got your
standing
hand on
right
your
here.
gun?
I don't.
I'm unarmed.
It's on top.
I'm unarmed.
You see the
All I'm
safety on?
doing is walking.
All right.
You want to buy my daughter one of these houses? Do you
do
want to
you?
buy my daughter one of these fucking houses? Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
I'm
do,
just trying to
pussy.
figure out who you
Yes,
are.
you do. You don't need to know who I am.
right,
I ain't
do me a
committing no
favor. Turn
crime.
around.
My name Daryl Baker.
Okay, Daryl Baker.
What's up?
What's your date of birth?
The fuck is you talking about?
I'm not talking about anything. I'm right here, man.
Out my
I'm
face.
right
County
here.
desk.
Stop moving.
Why is y'all? Why is you?
Stop moving.
County
Listen, I don't gotta stop moving.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Stop.
For what?
Stop.
For what?
Stop.
For what? Man, don't touch me no more, bro. For what? I don't gotta stop moving.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. No, I don't. What crime did I commit?
I'm not saying you committed.
All right, so why am I stopping? Why am I detained? All I'm doing is walking through the fucking
Okay.
neighborhood.
Okay.
All I'm doing is walking
That's
through
fine.
the fucking neighborhood.
That's fine.
That's it.
Now I just need to make sure that you're clear.
Listen, man.
All
I
right?
don't listen, man. Get the fuck out of my face. That's what
Did
you
you
do.
know?
You get the fuck out of my face.
I'm not getting out of your face. I'm right here, my man.
Out of my face.
But Mr. Baker,
Listen, man. Why is y'all harassing me?
Mr. Baker, he told you why he called. Why we
Hey, I don't
talk to
care.
you.
That don't got nothing to do with me.
Yes,
I
it do,
can't
Mr.
walk through a
Baker.
fucking neighborhood.
Baker, he told
I
you.
can't walk through a fucking neighborhood.
You always walking through.
That's all I'm doing. I'm not driving. I'm walking
Okay.
through a fucking neighborhood.
So then what's the problem with telling us who you
Run
are?
your fucking name. What I want to do.
Okay.
I'm a free man. I do what the fuck I want to do.
Understand that.
And I ain't fucking scared of you.
Okay.
Or going to jail.
That's fine.
So get the fuck out of my
No,
face.
I'm not gonna get out of your face.
Run the
Stay right here.
run the fucking name. Cause you a dickhead ass white boy. That's what you want to be.
That's fine. You think how you want to.
You a dickhead ass white boy. That's what you want. Can I get some space?
No, you can't.
Man, you better get the fuck. Yo,
Stop.
run my name. Don't
Mr.
touch
Baker,
me.
Mr. Baker,
Run my
stop.
name.
Stop.
Don't
Mr.
touch
Baker.
me. Why is you about to touch me?
Mr. Baker.
Why is he about to touch me?
Mr. Baker.
What you want to do? Shoot me?
No, I don't.
That's what you want to do? See? That's what you want to do?
I just want to know why
That's
you're
what you want to do? Because I fucking feel like it.
Okay.
Because I fucking feel like it.
Okay.
Because I fucking feel like it.
All right.
That's why the fuck I'm here.
Okay.
What's cracking?
Nothing's cracking, my man.
So why the fuck is you in my face?
I'm not in your
Run the
face.
fucking name and keep it moving.
I need to make sure that
Run
you're
the
good.
fucking name and get in that car.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Run my name and get in your fucking car.
I'm gonna wait for another officer to get
Run
in
your
car.
name and get in your.
All right.
Yo, man.
Mr. Baker. Mr. Baker.
Yo, I'm trying to keep it moving like I've been doing.
Stop.
Why are you touching me, bro? Why are you touching me?
Stop moving.
Why is he touching me?
Baker, you need to
Why are
stop,
you
please.
Stop.
look? Why is he touching me?
Mr. Baker.
Stop touching me.
Stop moving.
His name is, see his name?
Stop moving.
See his name?
All right.
See this name?
Stop moving.
Why are you touching me?
Stop moving.
Why are you touching me, bro?
Stop moving.
I don't gotta stop moving. I'm not detained. Am I detained?
Right now you are being.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Run my fucking name.
You need to calm down.
I'm not being detained.
Sergeant Janulus arrived and ordered Mr. Baker to stop, formally detaining him. This is where the constitutional rights violation begins to crystallize under federal civil rights law. Illinois Code of Criminal Procedure, Section 107-14, authorizes investigatory stops only when an officer reasonably infers from the circumstances that the person is committing, is about to commit, or has committed a criminal offense. This mirrors the reasonable suspicion standard from Terry v. Ohio and requires officers to point to specific, articulable facts, not generalizations or hunches, establishing that criminal activity is afoot. The Seventh Circuit, the federal circuit with jurisdiction over Illinois, addressed this precise factual scenario in the 2011 decision, Jones v. Clark. The court held that officers lacked reasonable suspicion to detain a utility worker after receiving a report that a person of color was photographing houses in a predominantly white neighborhood. The court found that officers could not identify a single articulable circumstance suggesting criminal activity, because photographing houses from a public street is not a crime. That principle applies directly here. Here is the civil rights question I want you to engage with, and I want your answer in the comments. If a 911 call describes only legal activity, a person walking and taking photos, should that call alone be sufficient legal grounds for law enforcement to detain and demand identification from that individual under the Fourth Amendment?
Yes, you are being detained right now.
Run my name.
I'll run it when I get another officer.
Harassing me because I'm walking through your fucking community? I'm from New York. I'm an independent fucking contractor. Get the fuck off of me. Get the fuck off of me.
Stop.
Stop touching me. Run the fucking name and get the fuck out my face. Period. All I did was go for a fucking walk. It's my fucking day off.
You say you're from New York?
I don't give a fuck. Face.
Stop moving.
Yo.
Listen, I've already told you.
Yo, run my name.
Stop moving.
So what you gonna do?
What do you mean, what am I
What
doing?
you gonna do?
What do you mean?
What you wanna do? What you wanna do?
Listen, I need to make sure.
What the f? Run the name.
I'm not going to run until I get another officer here. You
Yo.
got it? Like I said, you're not going to dictate
I'm not
my
detained,
decision.
homie.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
not a criminal.
Yeah, I didn't
How
say
you
you were.
detaining that's not doing a crime?
I didn't say you
How you
were.
detaining somebody that's not doing a crime? How you detaining me because I'm walking through the f***ing neighborhood? How you detaining me because I'm walking through the f***ing neighborhood?
Stop.
Why am I here? I'm here because I f***ing feel like it. I'm here because I f***ing feel like it.
Stop moving.
Away
I'm
from me.
telling you to stop.
What you gonna do?
Right
You gonna
now,
arrest me?
You're going to be.
You gonna arrest
You're
me?
going to get arrested for
You gonna arrest? I
obstruction.
don't give a f***.
Okay.
You illegally detaining me. You
No,
illegally detaining
No,
me.
I'm not.
Man, run my name.
Listen, Mr. Baker.
Run my name.
Mr. Baker.
Why your hand on your gun? I'm unarmed. Your hand is on a fucking weapon.
It's on top
Why?
It's on top of my home.
I'm unarmed. You can't take me
I'm not saying that.
without your gun.
Stop.
An unarmed black man. An unarmed black man. You gonna buy me a house. That's what the fuck I'm looking for. A house. And you gonna buy it. You gonna buy it. You gonna buy it. Y'all see me looking at houses, recording, looking at houses.
Okay.
That's what the fuck I'm doing. That's what I'm doing.
Pointing.
That's what I'm doing.
Point your finger at
I'm
me?
pointing my finger. Finger. You gonna shoot me?
I'm going to say it was.
You gonna shoot me?
Is my gun out?
Is you gonna shoot me?
Is my gun out?
Shoot me.
Is my gun out?
Shoot me. Shoot. Shoot. You fucking racist devil. You gonna have my kids living like this. Shoot. Shoot.
Clearly, I can't talk to you.
Shoot.
You're in a little bit
Shoot.
agitated state.
Yeah, cause your pig ass are harassing me. I'm walking through the neighborhood cause I fucking feel like it.
Okay. And you're agitated right
Cause I fucking feel like it.
now. Okay.
With a big ass dick.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing. Walking through the neighborhood with a big ass dick. And I'm from New York. I'm not from Chicago. I'm an independent contractor. I'm here for work.
Okay.
All I do is remodel Walmarts. I remodel every Walmart in the fucking city.
That's giving me more information.
So what's
I
up?
appreciate that.
Run my fucking name and get in your fucking cruiser. Go find a real criminal and get off my big ass black dick.
You want to calm down?
Cause these racist ass calling police. Cause I'm black walking through the neighborhood in the middle of the street. I'm black walking in the middle of the street.
Okay. We're here.
I don't give a f cause I'm black.
And no.
Yes.
No.
Why I'm here? Why you here?
We got a call.
Why you
That's
here? You got a call for what?
Suspicious person?
Suspicious doing what?
Taking pictures of houses?
So what? That's illegal?
No, I'm not saying it's illegal.
So what the f is the suspicion?
The suspicion?
What's the suspicion?
It's a person suspicion.
It's a person.
My
What does that mean?
A person.
A person. What does that mean?
They're suspicious of somebody that's
I'm
in the
doing
neighborhood
what?
that they don't recognize.
Taking pictures.
That's it, yeah.
So what? It's a free fucking country.
Okay.
Run my name, man. Tired of talking to you.
Okay. You're not talking. You're yelling.
Niggas following me. around.
Do me a favor. Keep your hands out your
I don't
pockets.
got nothing in my. I don't got to do nothing. You
One
gonna
to
shoot
six.
me? Shoot me.
For 1
You
hour.
gonna shoot me? Shoot me.
Short
Talk about my hands in my
regularly
pocket.
and various.
You ever heard of walking through the neighborhood black? You ever heard driving while black? I'm walking while black. I'm walking while black. I'm walking while black. Why is your black ass on the field? I'm walking while black. Black ass. I'm walking while black.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
I'm walking while black. Why am I being detained? Why is these niggas fucking harassing me? Why am I being harassed?
You're not being harassed.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I'm trying to go about my fucking day. I was going back to my fucking hotel.
What hotel you staying
It
at?
doesn't,
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
I'm just trying to have a conversation
matter.
with you.
call your backup so I can run. You can run my name so I can keep it moving. You holding me up, wasting my time. I'm trying to go about my day.
Yeah, and you're acting out of the
I'm
norm
not
right
acting
now.
nothing.
Yes,
I'm not
you are.
acting nothing.
Why are you so agitated?
I'm agitated.
Really?
I'm agitated.
How are you agitated?
How?
Yelling, motherfucking everybody.
And I can yell.
Okay. All right.
I can motherfucker.
Is that normal behavior?
Is that a crime?
Is that normal behavior
Is it
for
a
you?
fucking crime?
Is it normal behavior
Is it
for
a
you?
crime?
Well, I just gotta make sure you're
Is
good,
it a
man.
crime?
I'm not saying it's a crime.
Is it a crime?
I'm not saying it's a crime.
Is it a crime?
I'm not saying it's a crime.
Is it a crime?
I'm not saying it's
Is it
a
a
crime.
crime?
Not saying
Am I committed a crime?
Not saying
Are you
that.
charging me with a crime?
Not saying
So
that.
leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. I didn't do no crime. I'm walking while black through the neighborhood. Leave me alone.
Stop walking.
I don't have to.
Stop walking.
I don't have to. I'm doing what I've been doing, walking, taking pictures.
Mr. Baker.
That's what I'm doing. I'm
Mr.
looking
Baker.
at houses. That's what I'm doing.
Mr. Baker,
That's a nice ass house right
When was your
there.
birthday?
That's a nice house.
Mr. Baker.
Damn, this is a nice house too, man. This house is nice too, man. Damn. Forest Green, that's nice.
Mr. Baker,
That's
do me a
nice
favor.
too, man. Dick face.
And it's out of New York?
Yes.
All right.
You're not going to take your badge off. You're not going to take your badge off. You're not going to take that gun off. You're not going to do nothing. Stop putting your fucking hands on me.
Right now you're being
You about
detained.
to shoot me?
Everything's fine.
You about to shoot me?
Everything's fine.
Everything's fine.
Everything's fine.
You about to shoot me?
I'm not shooting nobody.
So why you got the gun on me?
That's not a gun.
Why am I being detained?
I told you.
You're not going to cooperate. This is how we're going to handle this.
Absolutely. Let go of the phone.
Thank you.
You got a gun on me.
Anybody got no gun on
You
you?
got a gun on me. Take that Spanish
Yeah, okay.
shit dick.
I know.
Take that.
Walk back this way.
Yeah, Spanish. Why am I got the cuffs on me?
Told you why.
Why?
You're acting erratically.
While black. Walking while black. Walking while black. Walking, why am I going in the car for?
Because you are.
For what?
Because it's more secure area.
For what?
That's why.
Why? You gotta tell me, why am I going in this car?
Because I said safe.
Dick, I do what the fuck I want to do. I walk through any neighborhood I want to. I drink what the fuck I want to drink. I smoke what the fuck I want to smoke. I ain't on no papers. I ain't on none of your jurisdiction. Eat my dick. What you talking about? Okay, I got 14 years in prison. You think I give a fuck about whatever you think you could do to me?
Sit down. Sit. Walk away. That's it.
You's a racist ass.
I'm trying to do my
You
job,
ain't
man.
doing shit.
I'm trying to do my
You ain't
job.
doing shit.
Absolutely.
Go look for a real fucking crime. What am I being arrested
Put your
for?
feet in the car.
What am I being arrested for?
Put your feet in the car.
What am I being arrested for? You doing that fucking authority shit like I...
So here's the deal, just so you understand each other. So we understand, listen, you can sit here like this for 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes. Don't give a really don't. Eventually what's going to end up happening is they're going to take you in for the charge that they deem appropriate. They're going to let you know what it is, and you'll have a chance to either bond or be I-bond.
37, go ahead.
That's what's happening.
All I was doing was walking through the
I
neighborhood.
understand that.
And they stopped me talking about you're suspicious. Suspicious of what? I'm not supposed to be angry? Suspicious of what?
You're not supposed
I'm
to
not
scream.
doing it. I'm not
You're not
screaming.
supposed to ball your fist up at people.
I'm not balling my fist.
Field training officer Schaefer arrived and informed Mr. Baker he was going to jail. According to the police report provided to Blue Watch, Mr. Baker was charged with misdemeanor disorderly conduct under Illinois Criminal Code Section 26(1) and misdemeanor obstruction under Section 531(1). On the disorderly conduct charge, the Supreme Court held in City of Houston versus Hill in 1987 that the First Amendment protects a significant amount of verbal criticism directed at law enforcement officers. The Illinois Appellate Court applied that standard in People versus Douglas in 1975, finding that arguing loudly with officers, even using profanity, does not constitute disorderly conduct absent an actual breach of the peace. Additionally, Chaplinsky versus New Hampshire established that only so-called fighting words, those that by their very utterance inflict injury or incite an immediate breach of the peace, fall outside First Amendment protection. No documented breach of the peace occurred here. On the obstruction charge, the Illinois Supreme Court clarified in People versus Raby in 1968 that obstruction requires a physical act, not verbal disagreement about the lawfulness of police conduct. Mr. Baker's attempt to continue walking during what the deputies concede was a stop of questionable legal authority does not meet that threshold. And critically, obstruction of an unauthorized act is not obstruction under Illinois law.
What? You got that on camera? What? I'm lying. I'm lying to you.
You're talking.
I'm lying to you. I don't give a fuck about lying to you. How about a lie to you? This is racist. You niggas about to make up a fucking charge and getting shot every day. It's getting shot every day and you about to make up a charge.
You don't know me. Sit down.
You don't know me neither.
That's right. I don't call you.
So what the fuck is you talking to me like that?
I don't call you.
Because I'm black.
And I don't.
You think because you think you got more money than me? You don't. You think I got a better job? You don't.
Sit down.
I travel. I've been on mad flights. Travel this country and work.
Okay. Sit down.
Put your feet in the car.
All I know is that you have disparaged my character from the second that I showed up.
So what are you doing to me? You think I give a fuck about your character?
Yeah,
What are you doing to my
absolutely
character?
care about my
What
character. That's
about
why
my
I'm-
character? What about my character?
Let's go.
What about my character? What about my character?
Put your feet in the car.
You can stop me for nothing. Get him out. Let's go. Okay.
You want us to follow, Sarge? Yes, I did. Okay. No problem, Sergeant.
Mr. Baker was transported to jail on both charges. As of the research for this episode, no publicly confirmed federal civil rights lawsuit or Section 1983 claim has been filed in connection with this incident. The Cook County Sheriff's Office has not issued a public statement regarding any internal review or disciplinary action taken against the deputies involved. What this encounter documents is a pattern this channel has analyzed across multiple jurisdictions. A 911 call describing entirely lawful activity, walking, photographing, being used as the legal entry point for a detention that the Seventh Circuit's own precedent would likely find constitutionally deficient. The absence of any criminal element in the reported conduct means the reasonable suspicion standard was not met at the moment of detention, and charges built on that unlawful foundation carry serious Fourth Amendment exposure in any subsequent federal civil rights litigation. A civil rights attorney reviewing this body camera footage would identify a viable wrongful arrest claim under Title 42, United States Code, Section 1983, from the moment Sergeant Janulis ordered Mr. Baker to stop without articulable criminal justification. The financial exposure for Cook County in any federal civil rights lawsuit of this nature, particularly given the Seventh Circuit precedent directly on point, would be substantial. Mr. Baker's decision to comply with the arrest rather than physically resist was legally sound. Physical resistance, regardless of the constitutional validity of the underlying detention, creates criminal exposure that complicates any subsequent civil rights claim. His composure under these circumstances, combined with his verbal articulation of the constitutional issues in real time, preserved the strongest possible foundation for any legal action that follows. If this case clarified what law enforcement can and cannot legally do when the only reported conduct is entirely lawful, share it with a civil rights attorney or someone who needs to understand their Fourth Amendment rights. Subscribe to Badge on Trial for weekly constitutional analysis. And drop your verdict in the comments. Should a 911 call describing legal activity ever be sufficient to authorize a formal detention under the Fourth Amendment? That is the case of Daryl Baker, arrested in Northbrook, Illinois, for walking down a street and taking photographs. No criminal conduct, no reasonable suspicion, a Seventh Circuit precedent directly on point, and a body camera that documented every moment of a constitutional rights violation that a federal civil rights attorney could argue in court. The badge was put on trial by its own footage. The wrongful arrest lawsuit, if filed, will be one to watch. Subscribe, stay informed, and remember, a phone call about legal activity is not probable cause, and a badge does not change that. I will see you in the next case.